Okay, so I've put together this viral brander system, okay, and this system is going to be responsible for literally drip feeding commissions straight onto your viral cash card, your global cash card. This is a global cash card system that we've linked it all up to. I've created the viral marketing system and I've linked it up with our viral global cash card. This is a Visa. You're going to be able to get this. Okay, no cryptocurrency here, guys. Just really, really powerful stuff. This has been paying me since 2015. Okay, this has been paying me every single week since 2015. I've linked this system up with our global cash card system where you can get drip fed commissions straight onto your link. And this is also hooked up with a traffic rotator. You'll get onto my traffic rotator. So you'll have access to this marketing system. This is one-click brander. Okay, here's another system as well. And here's another page as well. Okay, here's another page. Okay, and here's your setup page. Okay, very simple setup page. But basically, guys, this actual marketing system itself, there's no registration. Okay, you're just going to be able to use it once you lock in on the program. Okay, which provides you with a global cash card. Okay, a Visa card where you get your commissions straight onto your global cash card. They pay you $6 commissions for just a one-time $7. Okay, and you get unlimited $6. They basically allow you to. They're giving away branding rights to this entire system. So you're going to be able to give away this system for $7 and you get commissions of $6 every single time, ongoing, endless. So guys, lock in today and get all in. Okay, all you have to do is to spend just $7 one time and you'll start earning $6 commissions. Okay, as I say, here's what I've been able to achieve. Okay, and it's just ongoing, endless. And it also opens up onto an additional income stream if you choose for gold members. If you want to upgrade to gold members, you'll be able to earn additional income stream, okay, with matching bonus, 50% match check, and also $20 a month from your team. But that's optional. And every single week they just pay without fail. They've been paying me since 2015, and it's just been an absolute, it's just wonderful to have access to a system like this. And what I've done is I've basically created this entire system, this marketing system that allows you guys to brand it instantly with your username, okay? And you'll be able to get on the link below. Start here, lock in today, immediately, lock in under me so you can have access to this system and I can help and guide and support you. Join my Facebook group, all right, so you get access to my private training and my coaching, and you'll also get onto my traffic rotator as well. So once you get on the traffic rotator, we're going to help you build in your downline, build your system so you can start earning commissions as soon as possible. Then you get on to the next step and you'll be able to set it up, okay? So you'll be able to get set up effortlessly and painlessly. It's very, very simple. What we're doing here, we're simply giving you a system that's only $7 and you get $6 commissions unlimited. Okay, there's no monthly fees. It's just a one-time $7, but you get granted giveaway rights, all right, for the system. And every time you give away this system, you'll earn $6. Okay, and then you get into the Facebook group. So guys, one thing I wasn't going to mention in this video, but we do offer you an opportunity if you want to take this system to the next level. Okay, this is not part of the system. This is a bonus, an extra. If you choose to upgrade to the gold level, which is the power lead system, you'll be able to get my share code of this entire system, so you can completely customize this brander system. In other words, you can be the team leader. You can viralize your particular business opportunity. If you're part of a program and you're promoting a program out there, why not become a team leader of that company? Why not set this up so that you become the team leader? You create the viral system. You can create as many viral systems as you like. Just imagine stamping out your own viral systems. Every company that you join, you create a viral system for that company and you become the team leader. This is what I've been doing for the last 4 or 5 years, guys. This is the way to really scale up your business, okay? People will join you in any program if you've got a system, okay? Guys, that I'm the one who's been creating all these systems because, and I get hundreds, if not thousands of people who have joined in my programs that I've been able to directly sponsor. Okay, so my advice is get upgraded to the power lead system under me so you can you can be granted access to this to my share code. When you're upgraded, you'll be able to get my support and get help, and so that you can use this viral system to viralize all your programs. You can create as many viral systems as you like. It's your choice. If you're not ready for this kind of system yet, don't worry. Just stick with the lead lightning system above. Okay, this is the lead lightning system. This particular system will only require a $7 one-time payment. You can do it with your credit card. We're not available in every country. Okay, you'll find that out on the join form. Okay, you don't even need to bother coming. This is not my system. Okay, this is the Power Lead system. This is part of Lead Lightning. Okay, it's basically, guys, if it's not in your country, there's nothing much I can do about it. All right, there are reasons why we can't get into every country. But anyway, guys, this system will allow you to simply earn $6 commissions endlessly, unlimited. You've got to do the work, but we're going to help you because we're going to get you on the traffic rotator. But don't rely on us. We're not looking for lazy people. We're looking for partners, okay? People who are going to partner up with us and build a big team, all right? So well done, congratulations, and welcome aboard. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside. Bye for now.